And that is ready to dish up. Guys, come and cook with me. Right, so today I've got a very green pasta dish coming up. And why? Because we love our greens. So I've made some broccoli, and to be honest, all these ingredients are probably already in your house, like the flour, the butter, your milk. I've also got some peas to go along with it. You can have any greens that you like, and some cheese. This is the new cheese from Aldi as well. And I bought the broccoli, the peas and the cheese, and that come to £3.77. So we're going to get some butter, a knob of butter, into a hot oil pan, like so. And I'm going to get this plain flour, just normal plain flour, and we're going to make this equal measures and make this into a roux. So just stir this. I've also got some pasta into a pan of the same broccoli water, so saving the water. And there we go. And guys, why not press the follow button for more savvy meal ideas? So that's all melted, so we're going to add the milk, and we have to add this just slowly and surely and keep stirring so it does not cause any lumps and bumps. I'm also going to add in some lazy garlic. You can add any garlic you like in, and some salt and some pepper. And also, when we add the salt and pepper, why do we not say pepper and salt first? Seems like P comes before S in the alphabet. The last 5 minutes of the pasta cooking, I'm just going to add some peas to those and let those boil. Just drained off my peas and pasta, and in with the sauce I'm going to add some cheese. You don't have to, but I like it cheesy. So we're going to add about that much in. Also going to add the broccoli in there as well, fully coat this. And I used all the stalk as well, because someone said to me, why do people cut off the stalks? And I was like, I don't know. So since I've said that, I've started using the stalks, and do you know what? They taste beautiful. Do you eat the stalk? Let me know in the comments below, guys. Give that a really good stir, and then we're going to add in all the pasta and all the peas. And that is one easy, cheap, fully greened. And if you want any chicken or, oh, more cheese. If you want any chicken or prawns or ham maybe, that'll make it a really nice dish as well. How easy was that? Store cupboard staples. And that is ready to dish up. How nice does that look? Oh, cheesy. Huge cheese pull on that. Wow. Right, let's give it a try. Oof. Smells very garlicky as well. And if you don't want to use fresh broccoli, you might have frozen broccoli in your freezer. So all these ingredients you'll probably have in. Oh, wow. It's absolutely beautiful. Guys, if you want to give it a go, I got my ingredients from Aldi. You can get them from anywhere you like.